Mama and I made it to the north end of the Berry Islands, and we're going to walk around, check things out, and do a little bit of exploring in a abandoned resort. It's a trash run. It's a beach day, and we're leaving Beauty. Let me get the motor put together before you let us go. Otherwise, I'm just going to float away. It's trash run day. We're here at the Bay of Five Pirates. And did you let go of that rope? Yeah. Okay. Look at this. Somebody is in need of a So we're in the Bay of Five Pirates, and this is their little Great Harbor Marina. So yeah, there's conch shells everywhere as they make conch salad and different things like that. You about lost your hat, didn't you? I saw it about come off out of the corner of my eye. But basically, this little marina is hidden back in here, and I think it's probably the best hurricane hole in all of the Bahamas. And it's tough to get in here because you have to come through a little cut that they cut out of the island just to get back in here. Then it's almost like a lake back here. So there's some condos here. Other than peace and quiet and some beach, there's not really much here. The grocery store is about the size of a small corner convenience store back in America. There's nothing here. I mean, nothing. It's a nice looking. Mango's a nice sailing cat. They got him tucked in here pretty tight. I don't know why this place is so popular, other than it's so well protected, but there's nothing to do. Anyway, we're looking for the dinghy dock, which is right over here next to right there, yeah, right in front of the little marina office. So the good news is we have to pay $5 to dump our trash. There is a fee for that, but the dinghy dock, usually you have to pay to put your dinghy in the slot. And so this massive catamaran has all kinds of kids on it and stuff. It's cool, but usually you have to park your dinghy and you pay a fee for that, but no fee for that. And they even let you have bicycles to use to run around the island. I guess they know you're not going to go anyplace. There's no place to go. It's just tied together. It's not really locked. So just grab a couple. But anyway, and so you have to pay for trash, which is $5 to use some trash, and then you get a free bicycle. So it's a pretty good deal. It's been a while since I've been on a bicycle, but they rent free bicycles here, or I shouldn't say rent. They let you use bicycles here in this marina. Remember I said there's nothing to do in this place? Well, I guess you can ride bicycles. How you doing, Mama? You good?
Did you realize there's no brakes on the bike?
Yeah, I pedal backwards. Pedal backwards. Well, I guess so. Hey, that's an electric bike. That's cheating. Looks like it's going to be a whole new neighborhood over here. Got the roads and the pine trees. Pine pine trees, palm trees. This side is the big money, where all of the beachfront is at. Yeah. Are you gonna fall in this sand? Ah! Ah! All right, we walk from here. You want to do the Trump dance while you're here? Do you know the Trump dance? This is Lovers Beach, and wind and the waves were angry. We didn't do any swimming. We just kind of enjoyed our time out here in the sunshine. A fossil?
Yeah, that's a fossil right there. Pretty cool. Daddy, we gotta go. The sea is angry.
Ooh, okay, we're at the top of this hill. That was a workout, Mommy. Anyway, so someone somewhere in the past had built some sort of resort they were trying to develop here, and it's been abandoned for quite some time, and it looks like somebody else is here, so be on our best behavior. But anyway, we're going to take a little tour and do a little urban exploring. Somebody is definitely here. But I wonder why they had the walkway across the... Was there a golf course or something they were planning over there? Okay, so this must have been like the drive around entrance where people would get let off, and it looks like they had high hopes. And the rumor is this was all drug money. They were building this resort here. Wow. It needs some love, doesn't it, Mommy? Look like a project we could take on? No, probably not. Look at this. Very interesting. Yeah. You going up or what? Well, that's a good point. Yak for president. Wow. Been vacant a while. Look at all the trees and everything growing up through. Wow. I mean, it was going to be a big place. Very, very cool. Cool in a urban explorer kind of way, I guess. Wow. Yeah, the graffiti's fresh. Oh, look, here's the pool. Was it 3 years ago we were here? In 20, no, I thought it was 21. Maybe 4 years ago. Yeah, it hasn't changed much. I mean, other than there's just more run down than it was. Very interesting. Yeah, supposedly they were going to put I think a golf course or something on that side, and you can just barely see the marina where we came ashore there. There's only really one road in all of Great Harbor Key. Yeah, you see it? I don't know how you get over there though. Straight ahead, I believe. Because we came up these stairs, but I think if you walk straight that way, you'll see that little bridge. I mean, it's a pretty big place. Look at this. Wow. Oh yeah, see, I think they were working on a golf course. And that bridge, actually I think that bridge was just like, some of the holes were on one side of the road and some of the holes were on the other side of the road for the golf course. I mean, you're quite the urban explorer here. Yeah, it's got I-beams underneath it. It ain't gonna fall. Yeah. Blah, 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 blah. I better go first. Well, so you could stand out here and watch the traffic go by. Yeah. Well, it was probably a highlight of their vacation, watching the traffic go by. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weather. Today's been very nice, other than just kind of windy.
There's a lot of videos there.
Well, I know, but I'm going to make one with you. So, so we just borrowed your bikes and we rode up there and we were walking around the place. But it's called the Clubhouse. Only celebrities.
A lot of celebrities.
What era was it? How many years ago was it?
That has been in the 60s.
Okay.
That's right.
Okay, so that's quite a while ago. 60 years ago plus. So, does somebody own that, or is it just part of the government land now?
Actually, Mark Fender. Yes.
I don't know who that is, but
that's my boss.
okay. Okay.
All of that is actually tied into the
marina now.
and
Okay.
the fuel dock.
I see. All right.
Yes.
So the marina is not Bahamas owned; it's privately owned. Is that correct? I see. I didn't realize that.